Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bitvise SSH client. First, download and install the software from the official website. Once installed, open the client application. Navigate directly to the Login tab, which is usually the default view. Here, you will input the server's hostname or IP address, the SSH port number, typically 22, and your username. This sets the foundation for your secure connection. Next, select your preferred authentication method. The most common is password authentication, where you simply enter your password in the designated field. For enhanced security, consider using public key authentication. This involves generating a key pair and uploading your public key to the server. Bitvise SSH client makes managing these keys straightforward, offering a robust and secure way to log in. Many users leverage Bitvise for port forwarding. To set this up, go to the C2 or S2C forwarding tabs. Here, you can configure local or remote port forwarding rules. You'll need to specify the listening port on your local machine and the destination host and port on the remote server. Remember to enable the forwarding rule before attempting to connect, ensuring your traffic is routed correctly. Once all your settings are configured, simply click the Login button to establish your secure SSH connection. Upon successful login, you'll gain access to the terminal window for command line operations or the SFTP window for secure file transfers. Bitvise SSH client also allows you to manage multiple sessions simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for various remote administration tasks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.